Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. In this video, we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics Class 8 Chapter 16 Linear Inequations Exercise 16B Question 2. It is choose replacement sets. So choose replacement from -2, -1, 0, 1 and 2 to solve these inequations and then mark the solutions as dots on a number line. What you can see, we have some inequations. We have to solve these inequations, and after solving we have to mark their solutions from the replacement set that is given. We have -1, -2 and then 0, 1, 2, right? -2, -1, 0, 1 and 2. From these 5 numbers we have to choose the solution of x and mark that as dots on number lines. I will come to that. First we have to solve. We have x plus 3 greater than 3. So you can see plus 3 and x. By solving, I mean that x on one side, all other things on the other side. So see, x plus 3 greater than 3. So x plus 3 is, therefore eliminating plus 3, I will add -3 here, right, is greater than, now we have 3 minus 3. Okay, whatever thing we are doing on one side, same thing we will do on the other side also. So x plus 3 and -3 is greater than 3 minus 3. The inequality sign will not change. So you have x plus 3 minus 3 cancels, 3 minus 3 also cancels, x is greater than, what is left here? 0. So you can frame the solution from this set, right? X can have any value greater than 0. Here 0 is there, after 0 1 and 2 only are there. So 1 comma 2, close it. So 1 and 2 are the values we have to mark on the number line and basically put a dot over them. See how? First of all, we will make the number line. We've got -1, -2, we've got -1, we've got 0, and now see, after 0 what comes? 1. So on 1 we will put a dot here and below 1, right? And after 1 what comes? 2. So again on 2 put a dot and close the number line. That's it. You've put the dots, and the dots have to be like this. You put the dots and it's done. Let's move on to the next part. See, next part is what? X minus 5 is less than -5. So your x minus 5 I will eliminate by adding plus 5, right? And then is less than -5, again here plus 5, right? So what will happen here? See, plus 5 minus 5 will cancel each other. So cut it, cut this also. X is less than -5 plus 5 will give you 0. X is less than 0. So your solutions will become what? We have got here -2, -1, right? Or maybe no other values, right? So this is your solution set. Let's put this on the number line also. This is just a little too big. So we have got -2. Over -2 I will make one dot. Then we have -1 over -1 we will make one dot. Then 0, then 1 and then 2 as it is, right? You can extend it further if you feel like, but this is the smallest one. -2, -1 we've put a dot over because we have to mark them here. Now let's move on to the next part. Next part we have got x minus 2 is less than -3. This is your third part here. So x, again I'll keep x alone, so -2 and then plus 2. So this will give me 0 and is less than, we have -3. What I have done this side will happen this side also, so plus 2 here also. So we have got -2 plus 2 cancels, x is less than -1. The solution will become what? See, x is less than -1, so we're gonna have only -2 here, right? -2 is only less than -1, so that becomes your solution. So now make the number line. We're gonna have what? See, on -2 we will put a dot here, then rest of the numbers will be as they are, right? That becomes your answer. Let's move on to the next part. Now see, the next part is the fourth one. We've got 1 minus x is greater than 1. So what I'll do? Plus 1. So I'll do here -1 plus 1 minus x is greater than 1. Here I have added -1, so here also -1 will be written. So cancel this also. You're gonna have -x is greater than 0. Here you can see I have value of -x greater than 0, but we want the value of x. Just like in the equations we calculate value of x, same in inequations also we will calculate the value of x only. We don't need this minus x. So what I'll do for this minus x is I'll multiply minus x by minus 1. Why? Because if I will multiply minus x by minus 1, minus minus will give me plus, and 1 into x will be x. So it will not even change the value of x, but the sign will be changed. So this way is there, but I told you that when the inequality sign will only change when we multiply or divide the inequation by your negative number. Here what I am doing, I am multiplying by negative number, so the sign will change. This here it is greater than changes to less than, or less than changes to greater than, opposite of that. But here we will have what? Less than, and see 0 also will be multiplied by minus 1. So this will give you what? See, x is less than 0. So your solution will become what? You're gonna have minus 2 and minus 1 minus 2, right? So here again on minus 2 we'll put a dot, on minus 1 also we'll put a dot, and rest of the numbers as they are. So that's your number line. Let's move on to the next part. Now the fifth part, right? We have minus 3 is less than minus 2 plus x, right? Here you can see we will have minus 3. To remove the minus 2 we will have plus 2 here, minus 2 plus 2, minus 2 plus x, and then plus 2 here also. Minus 2 plus 2 cancels. Minus 3 plus 2 becomes minus 1 is less than x. So you're gonna have value of this as what? See, x is greater than minus 1. So greater than minus 1 are 0, 1, 2. Close it. So mark this on the number line also. Minus 2, minus 1, 1 dot on 0, another dot on 1, one more dot on 2, and close. So that's your number line. Let's move on to the next part. Now the sixth one, it is x plus 6 is greater than 7 plus 2x. Here also I have x on two sides. What I'll do in this case, I'll cancel out the smaller x. So we have x plus 6. I will get rid of this x because 1x and then another is 2x. So what I will do, x plus 6 and then minus x is greater than 7 plus 2x minus x. So to get rid of this x, I have added the minus x, and if I have added minus x on this side, then I will add minus x on this side also, right? This will solve. X minus x cancels. 6 is greater than 7 plus 2x minus x, x. 6 is greater than 7 plus x, and again I told you x I want alone. So 7 is there and I have to get rid of the 7. So what I will do is 6 minus 7 is greater than 7 plus x. Get rid of this 7, so minus 7 here also. First I put minus 7 to get rid of this 7, and same on the other side. Don't forget to put minus 7 on both the sides. This will give you, see, 6 minus 7, minus 1 is greater than, and here 7 plus x minus 7. So 7, 7 cancel, you are left with x. Minus 1 is greater than x. So again, you can read this, x is less than minus 1, anyways you feel like, right? So what values we will mark here? X is less than minus 1. So what number is left than less than minus 1? Minus 2. Minus 2 is only less than minus 1 from this set. So what I will mark? I'll mark a dot on minus 2 here. Rest of this will be as it is, 0, 1, 2, right? That is your answer. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like on this one. Till then, take good care of yourselves and bye bye.